Hey everybody, and welcome to my channel. My name is Kellman, and I am here to teach you everything that I know about modern jazz piano. Today we are diving into some of my favorite runs and arpeggios. So this is a subject that I have covered before. You can definitely check out some of my last videos about it. There's some really good stuff in there, but it's always really fun, and honestly there's just an endless amount of awesome arpeggios and runs that we can create and come up with. So today I want to show you some more of my favorites. Really quick, if you're new to the channel, please be sure to hit subscribe and click the bell to turn on notifications so you don't miss any more videos just like this one. Also, if you're someone who's really dedicated and serious about improving your playing and/or career, I would actually love to invite you to schedule a quick free call. We can actually talk about your goals, see exactly what's holding you back, and see if we can get you moving in the right direction. If you're interested in scheduling a call, feel free to click the link in the description. It'll ask you to fill out just a quick form so I can gather some more information about you, and then we will get you set up on a call. All right, awesome. So let's dive into these runs and arpeggios, which you can use for modern improvisation and solo piano and so much more. All right, here's the first one. So this one is a lot of fun. I find that this works really great over an altered dominant chord. So for example, C7, sharp 9, sharp 5. So here's how this works. In our right hand, we're gonna do 2, 3, right? So C, D, fingers 2, 3. Left hand, we're gonna do 3, 2. Then we're gonna move up to F, G, and F sharp, G sharp. So that's it. So ascending, ascending, ascending. And then we're just gonna practice moving that up the piano. See if we can get a little faster. So someone like Chick Corea would do this type of stuff a lot, and that's actually kind of what inspired me to make another video like this. So these are so much fun. Definitely experiment, because there are some other uses for them as well other than just an altered dominant chord. And if you find some, I would love to hear what they are in the comments. All right, here's another really interesting and really fun one. Again, very inspired by Chick Corea. He would do stuff like this a lot. All right, so that sounds super interesting, you know? That's the word I'll use, interesting. I really like it as a texture, and it's a very surprising sound harmonically. Let's actually take a look at what I'm doing here. So in the left hand, I am using my pinky and my index finger, and I'm just going like this. Then what I'm doing in the right hand is a half step above. I'm doing thumb and third finger, right? 1 and 3 and 5, okay? So I'm doing, again, left hand is gonna be E flat, A flat, then right hand is E, A, D, like that. So that's what I'm doing. But then we're actually gonna move this down just a whole step. Everything exactly down a whole step. And so we're just gonna do one after the other. So let's try down here first. So C sharp, F sharp, D, G, C, and then E flat, A flat, E, A, D, right? And I know my accidentals are all over the place, but they're still the right notes, and you should be able to see this all on screen. So here we go. Nice and slow. And we're just gonna do it a little quicker. And we get this shape. Very interesting, okay. Then we can just move up and do the exact same thing up here. So we can actually just combine these and experiment a little bit rhythmically and see what happens. So toward the end there, I just kind of got carried away and just kind of started doing different notes on my left hand and keeping the right hand close and doing this little fourth pattern. So you'll find that with these kinds of interesting arpeggios and shapes, you can actually just mess around and just go up. You don't have to know exactly what you're doing for all of them. See what kind of sounds you can create. All right, so that's pretty interesting. That's pretty fun. Now, really quick aside before I show you any more runs and arpeggios, I want to let you know that I have an awesome PDF out called 36 Runs and Arpeggios that is actually designed specifically to teach you a bunch more of these exact types of things. They're actually written out in all keys with video examples. So I definitely recommend it if you really want to dive deeper into this stuff and just quickly and easily add this type of vocabulary into your playing. Be sure to go to jazzpianoconcepts.com/store and check that out. I worked very hard on it and truly appreciate every sale because it goes straight to helping me have the time to make more free video lessons just like this one. All right, thanks so much, and let's get back to it. All right, next one is gonna be a little bit more in. Let's check this one out. All right, so this is just a C Lydian arpeggio. We're literally arpeggiating the chord 1, 3, sharp 11, major 7. Like that, right? So our fingers are always gonna be the same. 1, 2, 3, 5. And we're gonna work on doing that up and down. Right? And that is basically it. It's actually pretty simple, but the tricky part really is, especially on the way down, getting it smooth as you bring your pinky all the way down. Full hand position switch, right? So practice that nice and slow. That's a nice one. But the real point of this one is how we can make it sound with two hands. I love that sound. So it's actually really, really simple. This is all we're doing. We're just playing that same chord. We're arpeggiating it with the left hand. 5, 3, 2, 1. 1, 3, 1, 2, 3, 5. And just going up an octave. That's it. Then down. And you get this awesome sound. And the beauty of this is, this technique, you can use it with any arpeggio. It doesn't have to just be this single Lydian arpeggio, right? You could do this with any arpeggio you want and have this awesome two-handed arpeggio flow going up and down the piano. So this is a really, really cool exercise to learn. All right, finally, let's check out one more here. So this one's really cool, right? So we're actually gonna repeat it twice in the same octave. So this time, the other thing that makes it interesting is instead of just going all the way ascending, right? We're actually doing up and then starting below the second note. So left hand is D flat, A flat, and then right hand is F, C, F. And we've got, for fingering, 5, 2, and then 1, 3, 5. So we're gonna do it twice in each octave. And that's really, really nice. And you know what? We could actually do this downward too. And instead of just doing everything descending, we'll keep it ascending, but jump down an octave. Check this out. I really love how that sounds. All right, everybody, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed these interesting two-handed runs and arpeggios that we've been working on today. There is so much cool stuff in here, and you can go out and make your own. I would love to hear about it. If you do, please leave me a comment if you actually create one of your own, and let me know where I can maybe even check out a video of you doing it. I would love to see that. And again, if you're really serious about this stuff and you really want to take your own just musicianship and or career to the next level, I am here to help, and I actually want to invite you to schedule a quick, totally free call where we can actually discuss what's holding you back and see if we can get you set up on the right path to be really working through that and making sure that you're improving your skills as quickly and efficiently as possible. If you're interested, click the link in the description. It'll ask you to fill out just a super quick form just so I can collect some information about yourself and your goals, and then we'll get you set up on a call. Awesome. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button and the little bell for notifications. And if you got something good out of this video, please click like. It really helps me move the videos up in the YouTube algorithm. All right, everybody. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.